Hello guys, what is up and down? So yeah, today we are playing Classic Arena. This game is all of the OG people like back way in 2018, 2017 stuff, and I remember all of this. Not gonna lie, this is very iconic. But I am using HelperBot, and my friend Rian is using Shedileski.
Yes. Yes,
So, yeah.
sir.
So yeah, first we're gonna test out the moves. Let me just use my commands. Okay, so no damage. Wait. No cooldowns, yeah. No cooldowns. Okay, we have no cooldowns, and where's infinite flavors? Oh my god, I just spawned a jeep! I'm sorry guys, sorry.
Fight.
What do you mean let's fight? Wait, this guy really trying to run me over. Come here, come here.
What?
Why are you not coming? What the hell is this? Guys, where is Rian?
Yeah. I'm gonna go. Why aren't you slow?
Okay, let's start. Rian, stop that shit, else I'll kill you.
Okay.
Come. Test your abilities on these guys. Kill him first. Use your first ability.
This. Ooh.
Use your punches. With your M1s. Oh, that's the sword from heights.
Let's do branding board.
Okay.
Blade. Let's do branding blade.
Shivering slash. Okay, let's see what it does.
Shivering slash.
Oh, it freezes them.
Yup.
That's cool.
Then do venomous
Cascade?
Yes, venomous cascade.
What the hell did that do?
That's some aura.
Bro, that guy has a broken face now.
Missing vents.
Wait, he's taking poison damage.
Bro.
What is that? I didn't see that. I didn't catch that on camera. What is that? Slicing winds. That was cool as hell. Okay, what's the last one?
Branding blade.
That's a lava blade. Jump in the air and do it. Jump in the air and press it. Oh! What the hell? You jumped down from the air.
No, do it again.
There. Oh! Hit me. Okay, come here.
Yes, come here. Now you use your ability.
Now we want to see if he has any finishers.
How?
Finishers means how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Finisher means a cooler type of move when you kill them with that move. So what's your first move? Use it on him. Use your first move on him. See? It's the animation is different.
Yep.
Now he's dead. Use this on him. Use this. Come here.
Yep. Yeah.
You should attack him with your second venomous cascade.
Yo.
Oh, you slice him. Wait, I didn't get that.
Yo. I'm doing it
Yo.
again.
We need another dummy.
Yo,
Kill him. And I need to see that. What happened? Oh, you slice him in the air and bring him down. Okay. Last one. Slicing winds. Use your slicing winds. The slicing winds is no different.
Bro. Where did he go?
Now he died. You have to kill this guy. Bro, burn that guy very bad.
No. That was
Now my turn.
finisher.
No, my turn. So where is that? Spawn dummy. Okay. So I am HelperBot. Wait, we forgot your ultimate.
Oh, yes.
Wait.
I'm gonna do something punching.
Yeah, just do some punching.
Punching is doing nothing.
You got your ultimate.
Yes.
You got your ultimate. Yeah, use it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm tapping it. Eclipse blades. No. What?
Eclipse blades. What happens? Hit me! Run to me! Run! Run!
I'm stuck.
What the hell was that? This new
I
idea.
was stuck. I was like, I was going.
I gave you your ultimate again. Now come to me and keep attacking me. Wait.
Should I
No, don't
attack
start. Let me stand here. Yup. Okay. Eclipse blades.
Okay. Yep.
Where are you? Let me hit you. Oh my god!
Oh my goodness. Now
Okay.
that was
Now my turn.
You turn.
So yeah. So Jan is just there. Now I'm gonna kill these people for fun. Okay, assisted pummel. What does this do? Wait, you have to see the end ones. Just like metallic punches or something. Need some help? Target located. That's like Iron Man kind of shit.
Nope.
I summon you, robot. Okay, so that's very cool. Helper cannon. Okay. The air variant. Oh, okay.
You missed it.
I didn't miss it that time.
Yep.
Split slam? Propulsion slam. Oh, it's like rock leaves. Attack. Come here.
I got
Let me tell you something. No. Die. Wait, we're not getting to PvP that quick. Hey, stop it. I'll kill you.
No.
Wait, let me get you off him. Okay. So, assisting throw. I guess He threw me into the air. He throws me. Wait. Rian, I have an idea. Rian. What if I can fly with this? See, he throws me now. So, how can you not stand on the tree, huh? Is that how that's possible?
I can stand. No. I cannot.
You cannot, okay. Come up.
Wait. Okay, up.
Okay. Up. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I can fly! You can fly! Literally flew.
Do you get
Okay, now let's do the finishers. Okay, commands. Okay, let's do what? Spawn load on me. Second load on me. Third load on me.
do the finish?
Fourth load on me. Fifth load on me. Okay, we need 5. Because maybe some of them I missed. Maybe. Assisted pummel. It's the same, okay. That's same.
Not that way.
The gun is
Same?
also same.
Huh? Is it same?
Air variant is also same. Preposterous slam. Oh, he kicked him in the bowl. Man, that was sick. Robot, I summon you to throw me. Oh.
Was that an AK-47?
That was a Glock.
Bro, was that an AK-47?
But we need to see this one. This one was.
Yup.
I want my ultimate. Okay, I'm. Rian, come here. Stand here.
Bro, how many dummy are you sending to me?
I don't know. Okay.
I think we got...
Help about Colossus. Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
Die.
I'm gonna die. I almost died.
Oh my god, guys, that was so incredible.
Some didn't die.
So,
They didn't die.
guys, this is the first 2 monsters that we reviewed. And as you can see, my cousin is my friend. Yeah, my friend. What am I saying, bro? My friend. Rian, yeah. Oh my god, I forgot her name. Yeah, my cousin Rian. He's enjoying this a lot by killing dummies. Wait, where's the jeep you left? Wait, guys, I want to test this thing. Can we run over them? And it's not possible. So yeah, let's end off this with a fight to death.
Yes.
Come here. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Wait. We didn't see that. Wait. See. Brian, don't come here. See this? Scanning for targets. It doesn't see anybody, so it says no targets found and goes away. Cool. Let's start again.
No, you should have it. You should do it.
No.
I got a half health.
Use your abilities. And you're not using them correctly.
No, how am I using one of them? How am I?
Oh, I caught you. I don't know how I caught you, but that was...
I broke a robot.
Boing.
Boy.
Where the hell are you? Phil! I can't move. Okay, I can move. Where is he? Let's see. Let's just do something for him.
Yeah.
Don't tell anybody, okay? Nothing. Guys, don't tell him. I know you're here. I died? No, I didn't.
No. Yes.
This is taking way too long. Bro, now you're actually running, bro.
No. Yes.
But I can't move. Where did you go?
Almost.
You dodged it. That was close.
No. Why are they so No.
Stop it. Use your ultimate, bro. I gave you ultimate.
I almost died.
I gave you your ultimate. I gave you Eclipse Blades.
I don't want to use it.
You have to use it. I'm coming to you. No! Let's do ultimate battle. Let me give you full health.
Not an ultimate battle. I'm not doing an ultimate part.
If you don't do it, we'll not get any views.
Okay, then. For that,
Please!
Okay.
You started? No, okay. 1, 2, 3, start!
Bro, how did I do that?
You have to use your big sword attack. Die! Yes! We didn't take any damage, bro. So yeah, guys, that was it of the Shadowless Keys and Helper Bot review. So yeah, I want to peace out.